Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to find out or how to generate YouTube video hashtag for free. You can use these tips and tricks and create any of the word, any of the video title hashtag very easily. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all you need to open the ChatGPT is absolutely free. So look at this is my ChatGPT and I put it here. I need Canva word hashtag. I need only Canva related hashtag. So I type here Canva word hashtag and you can replace any other word from this one. I just received one only. If I type here more, so we can receive here multiple hashtag related on Canva. You can say write more if you need more, sure. So look at this. Now we are receiving around 20 and give me this one in one line. Look at this. The all hashtag comes in one line, so we can very easily put it here more. We can very easily copy those hashtag and put it our YouTube channel. Such kind of hashtag is not sensible and we not require as a numbers. So look at this, we are receiving hashtag absolutely free and those hashtag is relate on the specific video title is Canva, how to create YouTube thumbnail using Canva Pro, Canva Vibes, Canva Mix, Canva Create, Digital Life and so on. So this is one of the best tips and tricks. Using ChatGPT you can create hashtag absolutely free. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.